Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe and hit the like button and that notification bell. Yeah, today I'll be analyzing USDT. This is the final analysis that I've made. Just a review before I can start. Here, let me start now plotting. Start analyzing from the daily time frame, my support and resistance, my resistance there. Then I'll go to my support. But then, yeah, let me plot them so that everyone can learn how to plot support and resistance from the graph, so that it can be easy to analyze. Is easy, guys. You just have to understand the pattern and the overall direction of the market, the pattern. So hence I'm doing, like, I'm showing you how the market went from higher highs and higher lows. You see there's something like an M pattern. It's a W pattern, which is a reversal pattern. You see there's an M pattern. That was a W. W means sellers took over the market. Now boom, we have a W, then a buy. We are on a resistance. So you see that high. We are in the highest high from, I think it was, since the indices were starting to sell, but now we are back into the buying momentum. Let's see the trending trend. This is my trend, and my touches. What makes my trend a valid trend? I will show you the touches that makes the trend a valid trend. Here's my first touch. I'll show you key touches. Key touches, like, you can say that. But then here is also here we had a downtrend inside the uptrend also. There are trend within trends. What I'm trying to say there, here is another touch inside that trend. We had a bearish trend inside the bullish trend. People won't understand this, but then as much as you get more knowledge to the market, you'll see what I'm talking about. Here is the second touch. So we are waiting to take a sell from USDT. I think we can sell from January, because like December, most of those shops are. Remember that, guys, USDT is one of the USDT is 30 companies in USA. Remember, now it's a festive whereby everyone is buying. So those shops are making money. So hence we are not surprised seeing USDT being bullish around this quarter or like season. Here you see we had a nice bullish, then it turned bearish there. I can also maybe do another video to show you something. Let me show you my main support, my support zone. You see now everything it comes out perfect when I start to show you my support zone and my resistance zone. So here is the structure. You can see that from now, from the daily time frame, we are expecting a long buy. Then after we reach that zone there, we can start to see how the market reacts from there. Then we can see if it will be a continuation to break another high, or we'll go back to the low. So that's for today. I think for questions, please, you can comment your questions, whatever you want to know about pure price action. I'll add a video